Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the bike. Flip it upright or use a stand and make sure the rear wheel is secured. Check both training wheel axles and nuts. If one is loose, it sits lower. Measure the distance from each training wheel to the ground in millimeters and note the difference. Once done, loosen the axle nut just enough to let you adjust the bracket. Keep the 15 mm wrench handy. Small turns matter here, so move slowly and remeasure frequently. Now focus on the bracket and its angle. Loosen the mounting bolts slightly so the wheel can shift, and then lift the lower side in small, 1-2 mm increments. You want the outer faces parallel to the bike frame, otherwise the wheel drifts. Tighten bolts enough to hold, spin the wheel and set the bike down to test. If the child's weight compresses the suspension, simulate that load when checking height. Make sure you recheck both sides and fine-tune until symmetric. Finish by fully tightening all nuts to the recommended torque and apply a small drop of thread locker if hardware keeps loosening. Put the child on the bike or simulate weight and check that both training wheels contact the ground evenly when compressed. If one wheel still sits unevenly, inspect for a bent bracket, stripped threads, or worn bearings. These cause persistent misalignment. Replace any damaged parts, then repeat the adjustment steps. When both wheels touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.